You're here because you want to attract more wealth and abundance into your life. Tonight, as you get ready for sleep, we're going to use the next 5 minutes to impress that desire onto your subconscious mind. We're going to step into the state of the wish already fulfilled. So find a comfortable spot, close your eyes, and let's begin your journey into a feeling of absolute wealth. Go ahead and settle into a position where your body can be completely at ease. Let your eyes close gently, shutting out the outside world and turning your focus inward. Take a slow, deep breath in and imagine it gathering up all the day's tension and stress. Now breathe it all out, and as you do, feel your body begin to let go. Let's take another deep breath together. Inhale peace and exhale any tightness left in your muscles. Feel a gentle wave of relaxation starting at the tips of your toes, slowly moving up through your body. It's soothing your feet, your ankles, and your calves. This warm wave continues over your knees and up through your thighs, just dissolving any tension. Feel your stomach soften. Feel your chest open as your shoulders drop away from your ears. This peaceful feeling flows all the way down your arms to your fingertips. Finally, feel the relaxation in your neck, your jaw, and all the tiny muscles of your face. Your entire body is now heavy, calm, and deeply relaxed. You're now in that perfect state to communicate with your subconscious, what Neville Goddard called the state akin to sleep. In this quiet, receptive state, you are the creator. We're now going to build a scene that implies your wish for wealth has already been granted. Neville always taught that feeling is the secret. You have to assume the feeling of the wish fulfilled. So, what does it truly feel like to be completely wealthy and financially free? Is it a sense of deep relief, a quiet, confident joy, a feeling of total security? Whatever that emotion is for you, embrace it now, let it fill you up. To make this feeling more real, let's create a short, vivid scene. Imagine yourself in a specific moment that proves your wealth. Maybe you're looking at your bank account online, and the balance you see brings a smile to your face and a sense of complete peace to your heart. See the numbers clearly. Feel that weight just lift from your shoulders. Remember, this isn't something for the future, it's happening for you right now, in your imagination. Bring all your senses into it. What do you see around you? Are you in your cozy home, knowing every single bill is paid with ease? What do you hear? Is it just the quiet hum of a life free from money worries? Maybe you can feel the satisfying thickness of a wallet that's always full, or the smooth texture of something you just bought without a second thought. According to the law of assumption, your subconscious mind accepts what you impress upon it with feeling and senses. It doesn't argue, it just creates based on the blueprint you give it. Now let's anchor this feeling with a few powerful words. As you hold this scene of wealth, just repeat these silently to yourself and really feel the truth in them. I am wealthy. Feel how real that is. It's not a hope or a dream, it's a statement of fact about who you are. I am abundant. Feel the flow of abundance in all areas of your life. This is your natural state. I am secure. Feel that deep, unshakable foundation of financial security underneath you. This feeling of safety is your reality now. Don't let this feeling go. Hold on to this sensation of wealth and security as you begin to drift off. This feeling is the seed you're planting in the fertile garden of your subconscious mind. By holding this feeling as you fall asleep, you're giving your subconscious its creative mission for the night. Neville Goddard taught that your final assumption before sleeping is what solidifies into your reality. He often called sleep the womb of creation, where the seeds of what you assume are nurtured and grown. So as you get ready to drift into this creative space, carry that feeling of being wealthy with you. Let it be the last thing you're aware of. There's no need to force it. Just hold it gently. Let the feeling of abundance be the lullaby that carries you into a deep, restful sleep. Based on this philosophy, your subconscious accepts this new truth and will start to arrange the people, events, and opportunities needed to bring it into your waking life. Your work is done. All that's left is to surrender to sleep with complete faith. You are wealthy. You are abundant. You are secure. Continue to breathe slowly and deeply. Allow your conscious thoughts to just fade into the background. Let the feeling of your wish already being real be the gentle current that pulls you into the ocean of sleep. Relax, let go, and drift off, knowing that you're new.